This video explains how you can install the node packages using NPM and Yarn. So here is one project, nodeJS project, and I'm gonna install some of the packages here using npm command. So you have to go to the project directory and then execute this command npm install. And there you have to give the package name. So package name can be, for example, joy. It is already installed, but just for the example I'm giving this, typing this command npm install and then package name. So here package will be installed in your local node underscore models directory. You can see here in this project there is one directory, node underscore models, and that is where this package will be installed. If you want to install the package globally, you can install that using this command npm install -g and then package name. So when you do that, package will be installed in shared location. For example, if your Mac, that is normally installed in /user/local/lib/node models, in that directory that package will be installed, and that will be available to all projects. So that is the main difference between that flag, global flag. So when you install that globally, it is accessible to all projects. When you install without G flag, then it will be available in current directory or current project only. So that is how you can install the package using npm. Now install the package using yarn. You can use this command yarn add and then package name, let us say joy. So that is how you can install these packages using npm and yarn. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.